Good morning, students. I am Asutosh Kumar, PGT Economist from DAB Public School, Industrial Estate, Bhagalpur. Dear student, today we will discuss about consumption function. Consumption function. First of all, we should know about what is consumption, what is function. After that, we will discuss about consumption function. This approach was given by Professor Keynes in his book General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money. Okay. So first of all, we should know what is consumption. Consumption, basically consumption. What is consumption? In economics, consumption is the process in which consumer consumes goods and services for their satisfaction. That means ultimate aim of any person is consumer satisfaction. Okay. So what is consumption? Consumption is the process in which consumer consumes goods and services for their satisfaction. And function is a mathematical term. Function is mathematical term that shows the functional relationship between two or more than two variables. For example, I am giving you example C equal to F Y. Okay. Here C stands for consumption, F functional relationship, Y income. That means क्या वो क्या consumption depends upon income of the consumer. So here in function there are two variables. First one is dependent, other is independent variable. Okay. So C depends upon Y. As income of consumer increases, consumption also increases. Okay. That's why it is called consumption function. And consumption function, it is also known as propensity to consume, because this shows the functional relationship between income and consumption and proportionate relationship between income and consumption. So propensity to consume, that's why consumption function is also known as propensity to consume. Basically, there are two types of propensity to consume. First one is APC and second one is MPC. Okay, so let us discuss what is APC. APC is average propensity to consume. So what is average propensity to consume? The average propensity to consume shows the total consumption and total income. That means it shows the ratio of total consumption and total income. Okay, you can write it as APC equal to C by Y. C stands for consumption and Y stands for income. Okay, so C stands for consumption and Y stands for income. And second part is MPC, marginal propensity to consume. So what is marginal propensity to consume? It shows the relationship between change in consumption and change in income. Okay, so you can write MPC equal to delta C by delta Y. Okay. So delta C, that means what is delta C? Delta stands for change in value. Delta stands for change in consumption. Delta C stands for change in consumption. And delta Y stands for change in income of consumer. Okay, APC stands for marginal propensity to consume. It shows the change in consumption and change in income. Okay, you can take one example. Suppose we can explain it with the help of schedule also. Suppose you can take example Y C. Suppose Y is 0, then 50, then 100, then 150 or 200. Okay, this is income of consumer. C 0, 50, 100. Now consumption 50, 75, 100, 125 and 150. Isn't clear? Any confusion? That means income increases in form of 50, 50, 50. That means income increases from 0 to 50, 50 to 100, 100 to 150, 150 to 200. But consumption increases from 50 to 75, 75 to 100, 100 to 125 and 125 to 150. Okay? What we observe from this schedule? Our observation is that even at zero level of income, minimum consumption is necessary. This consumption is known as autonomous consumption. According to Keynes, autonomous consumption So let us know what is autonomous consumption. So autonomous consumption is consumption at zero level of income. According to Keynes, even at zero level of income, consumption can't be zero. यदि consumption zero हो जाएगा, that means how can we survive? Okay, survival is impossible. जब हम survive ही नहीं करेंगे तो economic activities क्या, economics क्या? So according to Keynes, even at zero level of income, minimum consumption is necessary. This is known as autonomous consumption. It is consumption at zero level of income. Okay. Second observation of Keynes is that as income increases, consumption not increases in the same proportion. Okay. As income increases, consumption not increases in the same proportion. But after some time, when you see that Y equal to C, income is equal to consumption. After this point, proportionate increase in consumption is not same as proportionate increase in income. But person motivate for saving purpose, for future saving. Okay. So you can see even at zero, what was observation of Keynes, even at zero level of income, some minimum consumption is necessary, that is known as autonomous consumption. Okay, as income increases, consumption not increases in the same proportion. When Y equal to C, after this point, increase in consumption is not same as increase in income. Okay, so we can find here APC equal to C by Y and MPC is change in consumption due to change in income. APC, average propensity to consume. It is calculated simply by ratio of total consumption and total income. C by Y. When income is zero, minimum consumption is necessary for survival. That's why average propensity to consume here is S. When next one is when income is 75, income is 50, $100 by 100, 125 by 150 150 by 200. That means APC shows the relationship between total consumption and total income. MPC, marginal propensity to consume, that shows the slope of consumption curve. MPC, marginal propensity to consume, equal to delta C by delta Y. That means change in consumption and change in income. Okay, so you can see change in consumption 75 minus 50, that is 25 by 50 minus 0, 50 to 0.5. Okay, again 100 minus 75, 25 by 50, 0.5. Again 150 minus 25, 0.5, 0.5. That means as increase in income, consumption also increases, but increase in consumption is not same as increase in income. According when MPC is 0.5, this shows the slope of consumption curve, and slope of consumption curve is positive slope. That means positive relationship between income and consumption. Okay, it shows the consumption curve will be linear. You can show it with the help of example. We can explain it with the help of diagram also. Okay. $45. This is Y, or you can say AS, income, consumption, okay. Even at zero level of income, consumption can't be zero, but minimum consumption is necessary. This is called autonomous consumption. Okay, it is denoted by a small b or c bar, you can say. And slope of consumption curve, it is denoted by MPC, marginal propensity to consume. What is marginal propensity to consume? Marginal propensity to consume shows the slope of consumption curve, that is delta C by delta Y. Okay. Now question arises, why we will write only delta C by delta Y? Why not delta Y by delta C? Okay. So first to find the slope of consumption curve, how can you find the slope of consumption curve? That is tan theta equal to P by B. P by B, that means change in consumption due to change in income. Slope of consumption, base income, and P by B perpendicular in consumption. That means change in consumption by change in income. It is denoted by tan theta. Tan theta equal to P by B. यानी डेल्टा C by delta Y. Okay, and this is autonomous consumption. Autonomous consumption, consumption even at zero level of income. Even at zero level of income, consumption can't be zero. Okay. Now this consumption curve can be explained like this: C equal to this is autonomous consumption. Okay, you can write it as a C bar. C equal to C bar plus By. Okay, C equal to C bar plus By. C where C bar is constant. C bar is constant. That shows the autonomous consumption, and B is change in consumption due to change in income. So change in consumption, that means due to change in income, what is the change in consumption? Okay, so B is denoted as MPC, marginal propensity to consume. Okay, and Y stands for income. So this is consumption function, functional relationship between income and consumption. You can explain it with the help of algebraic expression. Okay. This is income. Okay. You can find consumption at different level of income. When income is zero, that time C equal to C bar plus By. Okay. C bar is autonomous consumption at zero level of income, that is 50. B stands for MPC, marginal propensity to consume, as we calculated MPC as 0.5. Okay, so 0.5 MPC is 0.5. Okay, so 0.5 into Y is income. Here income is 0. So you can conclude C equal to 50. Here is 50. First, second, when income is 0, 50, that time you can calculate consumption as C equal to C bar plus By. C bar is autonomous consumption. Again, B is 0.5 into Y. Y is income of consumer 50. Plus 25 equal to 75. Okay, is 75. Third, when income is 100, at that time C equal to C bar plus By. C bar is autonomous consumption again. MPC is 0.5 and income is 100. 50 plus 50 equal to 100. Okay. when income is 100, at this level income equal to consumption. In this diagram it is denoted by point E. E is the point where C equal to Y. Here C equal to Y, consumption equal to income, or you can say this is the point where APC equal to 1, average propensity to consume is 1. Why? Because at this level of income is equal to consumption. C equal to Y. So value of consumption is X and value of consumption is also X. X by X equal to 1. Here at this level value of consumption is 100 and value of income is 100. 100 upon 100 equal to 1. That means at this level average propensity to consume equal to 1. Okay. So before this level what we observe, the consumption is less than income. Consumption is less than income. That's why APC consumption is greater than income. So before E point consumption is greater than income. That's why APC average propensity to consume will be higher as compared to NPC. Okay. And after this E point is break-even point. Break-even point where income equal to consumption. Okay. After this point, increase in consumption will not same as increase in income. ठीक है? तो इसका कहना है कि जब ऐसा पोजीशन हो जाता है आफ्टर ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट, तो पर्सन क्या करते हैं, अपने फ्यूचर के लिए सेविंग करते हैं डिफरेंट मोटिव से. तो दैट्स व्हाई आफ्टर ई पॉइंट तो कंज्यूमर विल मोटिवेट फॉर सेविंग पर्पस. ओके. So when income is 100, at that time C equal to C bar plus dy and C equal to 50 plus 0.5, that is 100. When income is